Hey y'all, it's Linda. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we have a Boxycharm unboxing. So if you're unfamiliar with how I do my subscription box unboxings, here's how it goes down. First, I'm going to take a look at what was in last month's box, so the October box. I'm going to let you know how I used those items throughout the month and whether or not I thought the value of the box was equal to or above the $25 cost it costs to get the box. Then I take a look at this month's box, not really knowing what's inside. I have my husband take a look at the stuff that's in there and he will let me know what kinds of products are in there. Like, for example, there is a moisturizer or there is a product for your eye makeup, and that way I know what I can come on camera with because I am going to put the rest of it on my face live with you, my friend. But 3 quick caveats. Number 1, because I only use cruelty-free makeup, beauty, skincare, hair care, if an item in the box is not cruelty-free, I'm not going to use it. I will mention it, but that's about it, and I'm just going to put it aside and give it away to a friend. Number 2, if I can take a look at a product and know that I'm going to use it once for the purpose of this video just to kind of show you how it works, but I know in my heart of hearts that I'm never going to use it again, I'm not going to use it. I would much rather gift it, sell it, give it away, whatever, brand new, than use it once and then have to give a used product to somebody. And number 3, because I believe that skincare is something that's cumulative, something that you have to use more than once to give a proper impression of, if there is skincare in the box, I will use that throughout the month, but I'm not going to use it on camera because you're not going to see any difference. It's not like I'm going to be like, oh my God, this face wash is just so moisturizing and I look like a young, fresh Kate Winslet with a Moira Rose voice. So I am going to be coming back next month to let you know how I used the November box throughout the month. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when that video goes live. But let's jump right into the October box. What I have to say I really loved about the October box, and first of all, I can't find the card anymore. I don't know where it went. I usually try to save them, but this one flitted out my window apparently. What I loved about that box is that at first glance, if you were to lay these items in front of me, I would be like, meh, that box sucked, or it just, at least like it just didn't do anything for me. But this is why I like to come back and let you know how I used everything throughout the month. Because yes, when I filmed that video, I was excited about these, but I'm more excited now. So let's start with, I'm going to start with 2 items right off the bat because they're both from Luce. I believe that's the name of the brand. We have the I Am Siempre Divina palette, and then we also had the brush set. I love both of these. I have used this palette so much, like one of the imprints is like wearing off pretty quickly. This is one of my like perfect kind of neutral palettes. And plus it is so tiny that this is something I will take traveling with me whenever I travel again. I love this color story. I love how there's a deep dark black, you have 2 shimmers, and then you have 3 neutral mattes. This is such a dream neutral palette and the quality is so damn good. Like, I had never heard of this brand. If you put this brand on a shelf, I'd probably walk by it, but because I got it, I was like, okay, I guess I'll try it. And I love this. I think so many people were unimpressed by this, but I really love this. And these brushes, these are fantastic. These are really great. So they are a little bit less dense than I would like them to be, but I feel like they're fantastic. I've used every single one. I cleaned them yesterday just for you. But they've got these like soft touch handles. These are awesome. I really was happy with these. Then there was something that I looked at and I was like, oh God, do I even want to use this in the video? Should I just give it away? I am so damn glad I didn't. I'm going to throw it. These are the Pinky Rose Cosmetics eyeshadow sticks. So we have one that is sort of a neutral matte beige. This is a fantastic eye primer, especially if you're using bright colors. And then we have this one. This is Jazz, which is a, God, that's so gross. You can tell how many times I've used it. This is like a copper penny color. These are so creamy, but so blendable, and they don't crease. I love these. These are so great. And if you are a Boxycharm subscriber, I did see that in one of their pop-up shops. If you didn't get these, I want to say these are like $3 in the shop. If I can find the link, I'll put it down below, but these were so cheap when I saw them. Get these. I love them. Next, we have the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. I don't know if you can tell. I have it down already to about there. I really, really enjoy this. I did not know until you all commented that this is something I can use after my moisturizers, like right before my makeup, even though it says it right on the package. I don't read the packaging. Why would I read the packaging and instructions? You think I'm Albert Einstein over here reading instructions like Albert Einstein would read instructions? Please. But this is really nice. I feel like it creates a really nice base for my foundation, even though it's not meant to be a base, but it does smooth things out. It really hydrates my skin. It smells glorious. You're gonna smell like a Jolly Rancher, which I'm not mad about. I really enjoy these. Will these be a repurchase? I don't know yet. I do like them. I'm going to be finishing this bottle. I've been using it almost every day. So why wouldn't it be a repurchase? I think it's because I haven't been like blown away. After a month of using them, I really like them, but it's not like a game changer for me, you know? And I know that this is a game changer for so many. We'll see. And finally, this is one like, I'm not going to lie, I'm mildly ashamed about. Okay, so do you have any snacks or drinks that you don't even keep in your house because you know that if it's there, you can't control yourself? That's me with Chex Mix. Now, I don't think Chex Mix is a bad food, but you know those big bags that are like 4 servings? If I open a bag of Chex Mix, I'm eating all 4 servings, okay? Which is not good because then I have a stomach ache and then I feel like real bloated from the amount of salt in them. So basically what I'm trying to say is that I don't keep makeup wipes in my house because if they're there, I'm going to use them. And that's what happened with the Julep Beauty makeup wipes. Was that a really roundabout way to tell that? Yep. Yes, it was. Welcome to my channel. I used quite a bit of these. I'm not going to lie. Do I like them? I do not. I used so many of these, but a lot of that was because when I do videos, like I'll sit here and be like, oh, look at this. And I'll swatch it on my hand. Yes, I could get up, go to the bathroom, wash my hands, dry my hands, come back, sit down, or I could just use a damn makeup wipe. These, though, are scratchy, and they're real scratchy. I don't like these on my face. Have I used them on my face? I have in a pinch. I don't like them on my face. I use these for getting swatches off my hands. I'm going to use them till they're gone. I will not repurchase. So knowing what I know now, would I have paid $25 for all this? Definitely. Definitely. I think last month's box was really good unexpectedly. Unexpectedly, which is what I like from Boxycharm. Now, what worries me is that we haven't had a real dud in a minute. We haven't had a real dud in a minute. But you know what? I'm going to stay positive. Let's stay positive together. Give me the positive vibes that this month is going to be amazing. I don't know what this hand motion is, but it's the positive vibes hand motion. Let's get into the box. All right, the first thing I like to do is I don't look and I reach for the card. We do have a card and the theme is invite only, but I'm guessing I'm seeing like baubles and ornaments and stuff. So I don't think this is the holiday box. I imagine that'll be next month, but I guess we're getting into the festive vibe. Also, yes, they do have like big sales going on right now. So if you are a Boxycharm subscriber, look for these beauty bashes, the holiday blowout sales. Those are fantastic. And if you are interested, my box number is C211005BA. I'm not going to look right here is where they list all the items in the box, but let's get into it. The first item is paper. The first item is Kate Somerville. Okay, this is the Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser. I do like Kate Somerville products. I really do think that they're great quality and they're expensive usually too. So this is great for sensitive skin, it says. I may or may not use this, okay? Not because I think it's probably a bad product or anything. Goat Milk Cleanser sounds beautiful, but I have so many cleansers and I have a couple friends who have very, very sensitive skin, so this might be better for one of them. I'll have to let you know next month, but this is probably the big ticket item. This retails for $40, which is hefty for a cleanser, but Kate Somerville does have great products and they are cruelty-free, so that's not a bad way to start. The next item is this Urban Decay? No. Wow. Doesn't that logo look a lot like, no, it probably doesn't look like Urban Decay. Yes, it does. This is by Trust Fund Beauty. This is Better Than Therapy Lip Oil. They are Leaping Bunny certified as being cruelty-free. I feel like I've been getting a lot of lip oils in subscription boxes lately, but okay, I'm not going to use this. It's a clear lip oil. It's a clear lip oil. That is so, no, that's like boring to me. I would rather just put this in a giveaway. Okay, wait. There are like, I can't tell if these are bubbles or micro glitter. I think it's just clear lip oil, and that's kind of boring to me. That's so boring. And I have lip oils that are way prettier than this, so I'm sorry, I'm not going to use this. This retails for $18. I don't think that's an unfair price. I wish this had some kind of color to it, some kind of tint. God, that's boring. Okay, item number 3 is big again. This is Milk Dew pH Balancing Moisture Milk Toner. So we have two milky things. What is it? Wasn't this milk? Goat milk and the Moisture Milk Toner. So it has vegan probiotics. I'm sorry, the brand is Glow Oasis. Milk Dew is the name of the product. Is this a cruelty-free brand? I'm not sure. Let's find out. So they do say that they are cruelty-free. This is pour toner onto hands or a cotton pad and apply to clean, dry skin. I will definitely be using this, okay? I am always looking for good toners. I really do like the Pixi Glow Tonic. That's the one I currently use. That one's probably a little more hardcore because that one is an exfoliating toner, but this seems nice. It's pH balancing. That's what I look for. What is the price on this? $34. And this is very heavy. This is like where most of the weight of the box is coming from. Oh my gosh, that's heavy. So this is, ooh, glass bottle. This is fancy looking. Okay, I'm curious to try that out. I'm a little bummed there's nothing I can try on camera just yet, but let's see what else is inside. Okay, the next item is a bag. What is this? This is by La Ruche, vegan, cruelty-free, hypoallergenic. What are these? Oh, interesting. So these are like those face halos, I think. Oh, these feel nice. This is, okay, I'm actually happy to have this. This is reusable makeup remover pads, but you can also use this to apply skincare. My only concern, these are thick. Do you see, like, they're super thick. So I feel like, wouldn't these absorb a lot of product? Because what I normally use are these little bamboo cotton rounds where not a whole lot sinks in. I'd be very curious to try these. So, okay, I'm sorry. The white is to remove makeup. The gray is to apply toner and serum, and the black is to wash your face. Okay, I'm mildly intrigued. These retail for $24. Something else I can't apply on screen. Okay, and the final item is, it feels like a palette. This is... This is by Violet Voss, and it is the Violet Sunset palette. So Violet Voss is one of those companies that says they're cruelty-free. They're like, we promise we're cruelty-free. And then whenever anyone comes up to them, it's like, cool, can you confirm that you don't sell your products in China? Can you confirm that you don't test your ingredients on animals? They just disappear into the sunset and refuse to answer any questions. So Violet Voss is one of those brands that until they answer some questions, like they're one that I personally choose not to use, of course, there is no official definition for what cruelty-free is. So it has to be what it means to you. And this is personally a brand I do not use. That sucks. So there's not a single thing in this box I can use on camera. Not a single thing I can use on camera. I am so bummed. Like, this is the thing. I promise to always be honest with you guys. I am not going to sit here ever and tell you everything is beautiful, everything is glorious, blah, 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 blah. I'm just... This is frustrating. I'm frustrated right now. So knowing what I know right now in the shortest video ever, would I pay $25 for this? This is really hard to say because the thing is, like, okay, this really is good skincare, okay? Kate Somerville is good skincare. I am curious about this toner. These I'm mildly interested in, and the two makeup items I am not, and I'm not using either of them. Would I pay 25 bucks for this? I guess so. I guess so. I mean, I don't know. I'm disappointed. Like, I'm really disappointed in this month's box. I wish you were able to really, really, really cater your box to your needs. Because yes, I do fill out all the surveys on Boxycharm's site. I have done it multiple times. But to get a bunch of skincare in each box, I think a lot of people would love that. But I'm at the point where I don't need that much skincare. I really don't. Like, for example, with cleansers, I think I even clicked, I don't want any cleansers at all. No cleansers. And I feel like I get cleansers in every box. And in this one, I got a cleanser and something to put the cleanser on. So I don't know. I'm bummed. I'm bummed about this month's box. I'm not going to lie to you. So I guess we're not putting any makeup on my face today. I do have foundation on. I did put foundation on. I'm not trying to be negative Nancy, but I always want to keep it like 100% with you guys. I always want to tell you honestly. So, you're going to have to decide whether or not this is worth it for you. I'm not trying to be a bummer, but I will be honest always. So that's it. I will still say tune in next month to see if I use these products because I will try to use some of them. Like, I'm definitely going to use this toner. That's the only thing right now I'm definitely going to use. Some of it I might sell on my Mercari page, and that's listed in the comments down, or in the description box down below. I always list my Mercari page. So if you're interested in some of these items, namely like this palette, this lip oil, you know, check there. I might be selling them. But that's it. I do put out several videos a week though, in addition to my unboxings. So please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you as a part of my Rockstar fam. You all can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Those are all GlitterFallout. And as always and forever, you are super freaking rock stars. I love you so much with my whole heart, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.